Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to publish your brand new website in Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account, then go to the websites page. And let's say that this is my brand new website or your brand new website built using Hostinger Website Builder. When you give it a visit, as you see, there it says page not found. So this is simply due to not live website yet. So how to publish this brand new website or how to go live with this brand new website? Simply click on Edit Website. And once you're in this website builder page, click on Go Live button. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger Website Builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Website Builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger Builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. And once you're in this website builder page, click on Go Live button. They are now publishing your website. As you see, my website was updated, and let's give this website a visit. So click on View Site. And just like that, your website is published online. And this is how to publish your website, your first or your brand new website online. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.